Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to add the curved line in Canva. After setting Canva, we can go to here to choose a template. I will choose a presentation, click it. So our presentation design page is created. Next, we can go to elements, and then we can find shapes and click 0. We can find lines here. I will add a solid line, and then we can go to the toolbar. We can change the line style. For example, we can change dash line, and we can change dotted line. Make sure that we enable one endpoint to make a dotted line. So I increase the line range to make it thick. So I go back to, we can make dashed line, and we can make solid line. Click and drag the point to extend the line. If we want to make it curved, we can go to line type, and we can choose curved. So we can 3 points to change the curvature. For example, I click and drag the endpoint, and also control the curvature by using the middle point. Actually, we can add one more curved line. For example, I use Ctrl+C and V to copy and paste, and then we can click and drag the point to extend the curved line, something like that. So this is how we can make a curved line in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.